Whether you're hitting treacherous mountain bike trails, scuba diving in deep waters, or capturing fast-paced family travel vlogs, your smartphone just can't survive the action. Today's action cameras are tougher and smarter than ever, delivering up to 8K resolution, next-gen low-light sensors, unbreakable waterproofing, and gimbal-like stabilization that keeps your footage rock-steady no matter how wild it gets. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the best action cameras in 2026. All the product links with updated Amazon discounts are right down in the description box below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's jump straight into the action. Number 5. GoPro Hero Compact Action Camera. Starting our list at number 5 is the GoPro Hero, an ultra-compact action camera designed for travel, outdoor adventures, sports, vlogging, and everyday recording. It captures 4K Ultra HD video and takes 12 MP photos, giving you detailed footage in a remarkably small body. You can also pull 8 MP still images from recorded videos using the GoPro Quick app. One of its biggest advantages is portability. Weighing only 86 grams, the Hero is significantly smaller and lighter than GoPro's larger Black Series cameras, making it easy to mount on your body, gear, or carry in a pocket. The camera is also waterproof down to 16 feet, or 5 meters, without requiring an additional housing. Hyper-smooth stabilization helps produce smoother-looking footage during movement and action. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth provide smartphone connectivity, while the touchscreen and simplified controls make recording straightforward. The package includes a curved adhesive mount, mounting buckle, thumb screw, and USB-C cable. Pros: compact 86-gram design, 4K Ultra HD video, 12 MP still photos, waterproof down to 16 feet, hypersmooth stabilization. Cons: waterproof depth is limited compared with higher-end GoPros. Fewer advanced controls than Black Series models. MicroSD card is required separately. Overall, the GoPro Hero combines excellent portability, simple controls, 4K recording, and rugged waterproof construction, making it our number 5 pick for the best action cameras of 2026. Number 4. Insta360 Ace Pro 2 Action Camera. Coming in at number 4 is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, a premium action camera co-engineered with Leica and designed for travel, vlogging, diving, motorcycles, winter sports, and low-light recording. It supports up to 8K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 60 frames per second active HDR, while the listing highlights a large 1/1.3-inch sensor paired with a Leica Summit lens. The dual-chip design combines a dedicated imaging processor with a 5nm AI chip for improved image processing and noise reduction. Low-light performance is a major strength. Pure Video mode uses AI noise reduction to improve detail and brightness in darker scenes, while flow state stabilization helps keep action footage smooth. The large 2.5-inch flip touchscreen makes framing easier for selfies and vlogging. You also get a 157-degree wide-angle view, magnetic accessory mounting, gesture control, pre-recording, and 4K clarity zoom. For outdoor use, the Ace Pro 2 is waterproof down to 39 feet, or 12 meters, and can operate in temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit. This dual battery bundle also includes 2 batteries and a removable wind guard for clearer audio. Pros: up to 8K per 30 frames per second recording. Excellent Pure Video low-light mode. Leica lens and dual AI chips. 2.5-inch flip touchscreen. Waterproof down to 39 feet. Cons: 8K files require significant storage. MicroSD card sold separately. Sensor specifications conflict within the provided listing. Overall, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 combines excellent image quality, strong low-light performance, advanced stabilization, and creator-friendly controls, making it our number 4 pick for the best action cameras of 2026. Number 3. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Taking the number 3 spot is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, a premium 4K action camera designed for vlogging, cycling, motorcycling, skiing, underwater shooting, and other fast-moving adventures. It uses a large 1/1.3-inch sensor with 2.4 micron pixels and up to 13.5 stops of dynamic range, helping it capture better detail in challenging lighting conditions. DJI also includes a dedicated super night mode for improved low-light shooting. For stabilization, the Action 5 Pro features Rocksteady, Rocksteady Plus, horizon balancing, and 360-degree horizon steady, helping keep footage smooth even during intense movement. Its subject tracking system can also keep moving subjects centered in both horizontal and vertical video. Another major advantage is the dual OLED touchscreen design, giving you easy framing and control from either side of the camera. The included 1950 mAh battery offers up to 4 hours of recording under specified conditions. It is also IP68 waterproof down to 20 meters, making it a strong choice for swimming, diving, and all other use. Pros: large 1/1.3-inch sensor. Excellent low-light performance. 360 degrees horizon steady stabilization. Dual OLED touchscreens. Up to 4 hours of battery life. Cons: essential combo includes only one battery. Micro SD card may be needed for additional storage. More advanced features can take time to learn. Overall, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro combines strong image quality, excellent stabilization, long battery life, and rugged waterproof performance, making it our number 3 pick for the best action cameras of 2026. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action 6. Coming in at number 2 is the DJI Osmo Action 6, a high-end waterproof action camera built for vlogging, sports, travel, swimming, and demanding outdoor adventures. It features an all-new 1/1.1-inch square CMOS sensor and supports up to 8K video, delivering detailed footage with plenty of flexibility for reframing. Its variable f/2.0 to f/4.0 aperture can adapt to different lighting conditions, while Super Night mode is available for darker environments. For stabilization, the Action 6 includes Rocksteady 3.0 and 360-degree horizon steady. Horizon steady can correct tilts and keep the horizon level while recording up to 4K at 60 frames per second, making it particularly useful for cycling, running, and first-person action footage. Battery life is another strong point, with up to 4 hours of recording under specified conditions. The camera is also waterproof down to 20 meters without an additional case and is designed to operate in cold environments. Creators also get gesture and voice controls, direct connection for up to 2 compatible DJI microphone transmitters, and around 50 gigabytes of built-in storage, along with microSD expansion. Pros: up to 8K video recording. Large 1/1.1-inch sensor. Variable f/2.0, f/4.0 aperture. 360 degrees horizon steady stabilization. Up to 4 hours of battery life. Cons: standard combo includes only one battery. Advanced 8K footage requires substantial storage. Some stabilization modes are limited to lower resolutions. Overall, the DJI Osmo Action 6 combines excellent imaging flexibility, powerful stabilization, long battery life, and rugged waterproof performance, making it our number 2 pick for the best action cameras of 2026. Number 1. GoPro Hero 13 Black. Taking the number 1 spot is the GoPro Hero 13 Black, a flagship action camera built for extreme sports, travel, underwater adventures, filmmaking, and high-quality everyday content creation. It captures stunning 5.3K video at up to 60 frames per second along with 27 MP photos, delivering significantly more detail than standard 4K footage. You can also extract still images of up to 24.7 MP from 5.3K video using the GoPro Quick app. A major advantage of the Hero 13 Black is its support for HB series lenses and filters. Compatible options include ultra-wide, macro, neutral density filters, and an anamorphic lens module. The camera can automatically recognize compatible HB series accessories and adjust its settings accordingly. For creative action footage, the Hero 13 Black offers powerful slow-motion recording, including short 4x slow-motion clips at 5.3K resolution and even higher slow-motion effects at other settings. It is also built for demanding adventures, with a rugged body that's waterproof down to 33 feet, or 10 meters, without an additional housing. The included Enduro battery is designed to keep the camera ready for extended adventures. Pros: excellent 5.3K 60 video recording. High-resolution 27MP photos. Compatible with versatile HB series lenses. Advanced slow-motion capabilities. Waterproof down to 33 feet. Cons: HB series lens modules are separate accessories. High-resolution footage uses significant storage. More advanced than necessary for casual users. Overall, the GoPro Hero 13 Black combines excellent 5.3K image quality, versatile lens compatibility, rugged waterproof construction, and powerful creative recording options, making it our #1 pick for the best action cameras of 2026.